This video series offers instruction on different types of meditation techniques. This is video 14 of 24, Chanting. Chanting in most traditions is used as a form of prayer. However, it can be a powerful meditation technique too. It's been found that repetitive chanting has positive effects on the brain. It helps to harmonize the interactions between the left and the right hemisphere of the brain, while also stimulating the release of beneficial hormones. Ultimately, chanting benefits us both physically and mentally. And when it comes to meditation, when we use chanting as our technique, it helps us to relax the body and to quieten the noise that's occurring in the mind so that we can sit and meditate with clarity and focus. In a nutshell, chanting allows us to experience the joys of singing while attuning our awareness to our own inner peace. We used the word mantra in an earlier video in the series to talk about the repetition of a word or a word phrase as a point of focus, as a meditation technique. But mantras can be longer. They can be made up of several words and form lines and sentences, and sometimes, as can be imagined, lengthy verses. The Sanskrit language is a scientific and systematic language. It is highly exact in its grammatical accuracy and in its attention to sound vibration. Specific energetic frequencies are generated by the sounds created when chanting different Sanskrit mantras and verses. If you're thinking about chanting in another language, Sanskrit, Pali, Latin, Chinese or Japanese, it's important that the words you're going to be chanting feel comfortable to you. So it's worth taking the time to understand the meaning of those words, or at least to understand the essence of what the chant is trying to communicate. In yoga, the word Om represents the subtlest sound, the sound beyond all other sounds. Om is the sacred primordial vibration from which all of creation has manifest. Om guides the meditator back to the source. And in the meditation practice that follows, I'll use a chant which is built around the word Om. In order to experience the benefits from chanting meditation, it's essential that you participate in the chanting yourself.